Hello, friends. Welcome to Literary Concepts. So, from this video onwards, I would like to bring to you the basic grammar concepts in English. So, as a part of basic grammar concepts videos, so today I'm doing and presenting you about the sentence and its parts. Now, let us try to understand about sentence and its parts. These are the basic thing. So, what is a sentence? It's a very basic question. So, a sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words. So, which gives a complete meaning. So, a group of words which have which has a complete meaning. So, for example, see in the first sentence we find there are three words. So, these three words form as a group and which has a complete meaning. I learn grammar. The next sentence, he goes to market. There are four words. He is one word, goes is another one, to is one more word, market is another word. So there are four words, form as a group, and which has complete meaning. Okay, just like that. So the other examples are they are working in the field, she is running in the ground, we work in a company. So these are the examples of a sentence. Now let us try to understand the parts of a sentence. So generally, very common in English, every sentence has three parts. So we find there are three parts in every sentence in general in English, and that contains the following order. So, what are those three parts? That is, the first one is subject, the second one is verb, and the third one is object. Subject, verb, object. The first part is subject, the second part is verb, the third part is object. Okay, example, I eat a mango, he goes to market, she writes a book. So, this is the order of a sentence which we find in English. So, now let us try to understand what is a subject means. What is a subject? This is very important. So, the subject means doer of an action, a person who does some action, a person who performs some action, he is considered as a subject. For example, I is considered as a subject in this sentence. I play cricket. So here I, the pronoun I is considered as a subject. Just like that, the pronouns like I, you, we, they, he, she, it, even some names, Rakesh, Padma, like that, any other noun or pronoun, maybe which is placed in the subjective position, is considered as a subject. So the subject is a doer of an action. Now let us try to understand what is a verb. So the verb is an action. So whatever that we perform, whatever the work we do, so that is called verb. So verb is an action or it denotes in an action word. Okay. So it is an action word. For example, I play cricket. The word play is an action word. So, which is called as a verb. So, some of the example words of verbs. For example, run, eat, talk, speak, sit, listen, go, come, take, drink. So, all these words are examples of verbs. So, now let us try to understand what is an object. An object is a receiver of an action. So, he receives whatever the action is performed by the subject. For example, I play cricket. So here the subject performed an action, that is what is called play. So played what? The cricket. The cricket is an object. So some of the example words for object: mango, cricket, films, books, rice, water. So these words which we come in an objective position, in an objective position in a sentence. So the objective position is, for example, here highlighted, cricket is highlighted. So in a sentence, if it is at the end of the, okay, at the end of the sentence, if a word is at the end of a sentence, okay, if it is used at the end of a sentence, or if it is receiving some action, so then that particular word is called as an object. So an object is a receiver of an action. For example, so if you take the mango, I eat mango, mango is receiving. I play cricket, just like I watch films, I read books, okay, I eat rice, I drink water. So these are the some of the possible words which we, okay, which we find in the objective position. So this is the basic parts. These are the, so subject, verb, object are the basic parts of a sentence. So thank you, one and all.